Don't you? Do you? Is it? Doesn't he? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you doing? I hope just great, and I hope my video meets you in a great time. Now we discuss about tag questions. Tag questions is a special structure in English. Tag questions contains statement and mini questions. For tag questions, is a tag question in a positive statement, so in a tag is have to negative, or in reverse, in a statement if negative, so in a tag is should be in positive. How to answer the tag questions? Remember, tag question is to make a statement, so the answer is look up the fact, because statement is in line with the fact. For example, example number 1, you made it, don't you? If we say yes, the fact is we made it. The fact is we made it. But if we said no, the fact it should be we didn't make it. I mean, the answer is according to fact. If the fact is we didn't make it, we said no. But if the fact is we make it, we say yes. Example number 2. It isn't her birthday, is it? To answer this, we have to look into the fact. If the fact is it is her birthday, we said yes. But if the fact it is not her birthday, we said no. This because someone to answer yes or no, not looking up the fact, but to support the questions, is not need to support. It's not right. For example, he couldn't do the test. Could he? Someone said. Someone answer is yes. He couldn't do the test. Yes here is to support the statement, but it's not need to support. Someone make it confused if we say yes, because the fact is he can do the test. So we must say no, because the fact is he can't do the test. He cannot do the test. But in other cases, we have to look up the statement. If the statement, although in a positive structure, but sometimes the statement could be a negative, in a negative meaning. If it's so, we have to put a positive text to follow that. In a negative meaning, usually followed by an adverb, several adverbs here, such as never, rarely, barely, hardly ever, scarcely. For example, he never said it again, did he? You know, he never said it again is a positive structure, but in a negative meaning. He never said it again. So we have to put a positive tag here. Did he, not didn't he. Example number 2. He hardly ever take the seat. Does he? Although he hardly ever take the seat is a positive structure, but it is a negative meaning. So the tag is positive. Does he? Example number 3. You could scarcely do this job. Could you? You could scarcely do this job is negative meaning. So the tag is could you, not couldn't you. The another functions of tag questions is to make a polite imperative. For example, you could help me, couldn't you? This is a polite imperative that someone asking help. Example number 2. Leave me alone, will you? Someone asks someone else to leave. This is a polite imperative. Close the door, will you? Close the door, will you? Is imperative. Don't forget, will you? Quite polite imperative too. For some way, tag questions is in negative statement followed by a positive tag or in reverse. But in another way, there is the structure positive statement followed by positive tag. It is usually to express the surprise, express of interest, expressing anger. For example, you get high score, do you? You get high score is positive statement, and do you is a positive tag. You know? And example number 2, she wants to marry him, does she? She wants to marry him is a positive statement. Does she is positive tag. You think it is easy, do you? You think it is easy, do you? You think it is easy is a positive statement, and do you is positive tag. It is expressing anger. Okay, learner, I hope my explanation help you to more understand about this statement, about this topic. And if you like this video, just like, subscribe and share so that I can make another interesting learning material. And thank you for your kindness, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.